knocked over
Hurry
my
up, Jay.
antibiotics.
I'm
I
sick
don't
of
know where they
waiting.
are.
Hi, Rissy. Yeah, cam that.
I'll help you with that in a little bit.
Rissy, no video.
Would you like to? You're using a push pin?
Dude, this is gonna be.
Give me something better.
Let me at least look for something.
Wait,
better.
do you do the upper part or the lower part?
Dude,
Would
Tim,
you like
don't
to
have-
know?
you-
Let's do the lower part. It'll be funny.
Would you
I
like to
don't
dip it in
know.
alcohol?
Jay, would you hurry up and stop
And
lighting
then
that on
burn it? I
fire?
feel like the-
Ow, it's gonna be hot, damn it!
It's not gonna be
It's not gonna be hot.
It's gonna hurt more than it's gonna be hot. so
Jay,
relax.
hurry up, baby girl. I've been waiting for you in this bathtub for a
You're
long time.
gross,
You're
Kevin.
retarded, Kevin. You're fucking retarded
Alright.
for letting him do
I might
this.
compress a
Renee,
little bit.
don't talk to me like that.
It is. It's true.
I'm literally gonna pee in this bathtub.
Madison, get in here. Alright. Madison, hold this. We're using this after we pierce it.
No, use this.
To pierce it?
Yeah, use
Yeah.
the earring.
Yeah, it'll work,
definitely.
it'll work.
Can we sharpen it?
Look, let me do it. I'll
Let's
do it.
sharpen it.
I'll do it.
No, give me the lighter.
Maddie
Yeah,
should be the
Jay's
one
gonna
doing
do it.
this.
I trust your tree boxers.
Wait, you want me to
Give
get
me
a
a
lighter? Help. Does someone? Oh,
We need to sterilize this now if we're gonna pierce him with
This
this.
is the hairiest belly button ring I'm ever gonna see.
Dude, I just shaved Brian's head and it looks so bad.
Rissy, take a picture.
Oh my
of that
God.
video.
Okay. Wait, can I shave someone else's head?
Take a picture.
Yeah, here you go.
No!
You were too slow. You almost had her.
Rissy.
Brian's so upset.
Is he?
Yeah.
I'll
Just
shave it
like,
off.
what?
Wait, I want to watch.
How am I gonna? This is not sharp
Do
at
you
all.
have the apple
I
slice?
think you need
Right here.
Fucking
You
say
were
that's not
thinking-
You
sharp.
guys are so gay.
I have
I'm
a
gonna
safety.
finish
Like, they have a
my
safety
hair.
pin, but they don't
That's
want
not
to
a
use
safety
it.
pin.
They don't want to use a safety pin.
Safety
Well, we
pins
have a
work
push
better.
tag.
No,
Do you have
no,
a
a
needle?
safety
I
pin.
don't have
Do you want
a
to leave a
needle.
safety
No,
pin
do
in
you have
you?
a safety
Yeah,
pin?
you have a
Yeah,
safety
but
pin?
they have one.
Where?
Oh,
We don't have a safety
No,
pin.
I don't
earring's
have
fine.
one. But
Yeah, no,
Caitlin
earring's
might.
fine. How you guys stop talking about